this is just a quick supplementary video to the first video I just made, how to replace a hatch gasket. We're now inside of a different boat here with some of our 7x14 or 505D port lights. We're putting some new gaskets in here. There's a few things we thought you might like to see. We've already got the old gasket removed. We've got the groove filled with a small bead of adhesive already, and we're putting in some 1/2-inch gasket here. Again, just like in a hatch gasket installation, you want to take real time in the corners to make sure that you're not pulling the gasket too tight. Sometimes you do need to push the gasket back into the corners to make sure it is in the center of the groove.